Alright, so here's the drill. You're in the market looking for a gaming headset under 2000 rupees, of course, budget one, and you must have come across this one. This is the Exa E900 gaming headset, which retails for about 2000 rupees on Amazon.in. And now you want to know, should you buy it? Is it worth your money? And in this video, I'm going to answer just that. Today I'll be reviewing the Exa E900 gaming headset, telling you guys everything you need to know. So this is going to be a one-stop shop for the Exa E900. I'll talk about the design and build quality, the comfort, the sound, how it's going to do in gaming as well as music scenarios, and also we're going to talk about the microphone quality, and towards the end I'll give you guys my 2 cents on everything that I think about this headset. Should you buy it, should you not? All of that in this video. So this is going to be my full review of the Exa E900. That being said, if you're interested in technology related content just like this, and also PC builds and smartphone stuff, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so just to be transparent, Exa did send out the E900 gaming headset for review, again free of cost, but that does not affect my opinions, and they did not get an early look on this video. This video is my full honest opinion on this headset. But with that out of the way, let's get started with the unboxing experience itself. And for 2000 rupees, in my opinion, it's really good. Like in the box, you get a really nice quality carry pouch. You get the headset itself, you get the microphone, which is detachable, and this is like a boom arm mic, so you can rotate it and change the position. It is very flexible. There's also a windshield or a foam for the microphone itself, and also a cable splitter. So there's going to be a 2-in-1 splitter if you want to connect these headphones to the PC, and you'll have 2 different inputs, one for audio and one for the microphone. So that's that. And you also have a user guide and a warranty card. And the last thing in the box is this 50 rupees free gift card, which for that to happen, you have to give this headset a positive review on Amazon. I don't think this is a good practice. If you believe your product is good, you just let the customer do it instead of giving them 50 rupees. But I don't know how I feel about that. But apart from that, again, coming to the headset itself, it's really nice. It's got a 3.5 mm, pretty long cable, and the cable quality is pretty good. It's not braided, but it's a really nice quality thick cable. Towards the end, you do have a gold plated 3.5 mm jack, and also you have this control where you have a mute switch for your microphone, so you can mute and unmute your microphone. You also have a volume wheel, so you can increase and decrease the volume on the go. You don't have to tab out and check the Windows settings and then increase it there. I really like that. The cable sadly is not detachable, but again, there is a bigger brother through this headset, that's the Exa E900 Pro, and there you can actually remove the cable, and that's a really nice feature. But again, this is a cheaper headset, so I wouldn't complain. But the microphone itself is detachable, and it is very flexible, as you can see. So let's say you don't want it, you can take it out. But for most gaming and streaming scenarios, you would want it. So talking about the design and build quality of this headset, again, the headband itself is made out of metal, which is really nice. It's a good quality metal, and also the grill right here is metal. But again, majority of the headset is plastic, but it's not cheap. I really like the build quality. It's very flexible, and I think it can handle a beating. So in terms of build quality and durability, it's a big thumbs up. Talking about comfort, it's good. Like the headband has good enough padding. It has sufficient padding for it to not hurt your head, as well as the cushions here, although a little tough, they're not bad. Like you can use this headset for, again, a few hours and you wouldn't feel anything. So that's really nice. So in terms of design, build quality and comfort, I really like this headset. And again, talking about design, it does resemble some of the more expensive headsets from Logitech or HyperX. And for 2000 rupees, if you're getting that, I am not complaining. Talking about comfort, even if you wear glasses and stuff, it does pass the glasses test. It was still comfortable, and I could still play my games as I wear glasses while playing games and editing videos. I didn't have any problems with that either. So that's that. Now, talking about the most important part in a gaming headset, and that's going to be the sound quality. Talking about the specifications, there's 50mm drivers in there with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and there is also 32 ohms of impedance. Now, those numbers don't mean anything, but just to tell you guys in simple words, this headset does sound pretty decent. The bass on this is very good. And for gaming, listening to music, watching movies, YouTube videos, it's gonna get the job done. For 2000 rupees, you're not gonna complain. It is kind of bass heavy in my opinion, but if you love bass, you're gonna be happy with this. And the other frequencies are pretty decent. So that's that. It's no audiophile grade headphone. For that, you might have to check out their One Audio headphones, which is a sister brand to Exa. And apart from that, the sound quality is good. And also, if you are into editing and audio sensitive work, I do not suggest you go with this one. I would suggest you go with their One Audio headphones. For editing and doing music production and stuff like that, I wouldn't say you should go with these. For like just specifically gaming, listening to music, watching videos, all of those kind of things, it's pretty good. Now talking about gaming, for that you need a really good microphone. So here's how the microphone sounds on the XIE900. Alright, so doing a microphone test of the XIE900. Alright, so here's the microphone test of the XIE900 gaming headset. This is how the audio quality is from the headset's inbuilt microphone. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about the mic quality? And as you can see, if I do take away the microphone away from my mouth, as well as when it's closer to my mouth, I think the quality is pretty decent if you want to do just normal gaming, talk to your teammates, video calls, online classes and stuff like that. Even if you're into a little bit of live streaming, I think this mic should be more than sufficient. With the wind foam on it, it should cut off any of the background wind noise as well. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But let's move on with the video. Alright, so overall conclusion time. The XIE900 in my opinion for 2000 rupees is a really nice buy. It's got good design, good comfort, good build quality. The microphone sounds good for gaming as well as doing Zoom calls, online classes. And if you're into a little bit of streaming as well as, video voiceovers and stuff like that, if you make content on YouTube, this mic should get you started. It is pretty decent quality. The cable is pretty long enough, and all the little features it has, like the carry bag, the splitter, the detachable microphone, make it all worth it for 2000 rupees. The sound is decent, nothing great, nothing audiophile quality. But again, for 2000 rupees, I can really not complain. That's pretty much it. I'll leave links down below to purchase this headset from Amazon as well as Exa's official website. So the pricing is going to be 2000 rupees in India as well as $32 in the US. You can also use my special discount code, which will be on the screen right now, as well as in the description down below. You can help out the channel as well as, you can help out the brand by purchasing a product from them. But apart from that, go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, if this was helpful, and also let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this headset. What other products do you want to see in the future? And please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.